The skin barrier is one of the most important structures for maintaining healthy, calm, and balanced skin. But many people damage this barrier without even realizing it. In this video, I will explain what really harms the skin barrier and what you can do to avoid these mistakes. First, it is important to understand what the skin barrier is. It is the outer layer of the skin formed by lipids that keep water inside and protect against irritants, pollutants, and microorganisms. When this barrier is healthy, the skin stays soft, hydrated, and resistant. When it is damaged, the skin becomes sensitive, dry, irritated, and more reactive. One of the biggest causes of a damaged barrier is overcleansing. Washing the face too often or using harsh cleansers strips away the natural lipids that protect the skin. This leads to dryness, tightness, and irritation. The solution is to use gentle cleansers and avoid washing more than necessary. Another common cause is over-exfoliation. Many people use acids, scrubs, or exfoliating toners too frequently. This removes the protective layer faster than the skin can rebuild it. When this happens, the skin becomes red, burning, flaky, and extremely sensitive. To avoid this, exfoliation should be moderate and balanced. A third factor is using too many active ingredients at the same time. Mixing strong ingredients without guidance can overwhelm the barrier. For example, combining retinoids, strong acids, and benzoyl peroxide in the same routine can cause irritation, peeling, and inflammation. The skin needs time to adapt. Start slow, introduce one active at a time, and pay attention to how your skin responds. Environmental stress also damages the barrier. Cold weather, low humidity, direct sun exposure, and strong wind all increase water loss. Pollution and hot showers also weaken the lipids that protect the skin. This is why hydration and sun protection are essential every day. Another mistake is not moisturizing enough. Some people think they can skip moisturizer, especially those with oily skin. But without proper hydration, the barrier becomes weaker and more vulnerable to irritation. Every skin type needs moisturization, even oily skin, using lightweight or gel-based formulas. Fragrance, harsh alcohols, and strong preservatives can also irritate sensitive skin and damage the barrier over time. Choosing gentle, fragrance-free products is often better for people prone to redness and sensitivity. So how do you repair and protect your skin barrier? First, simplify your routine. Focus on gentle cleansing, proper hydration, and sun protection. Second, choose moisturizers with ingredients that help rebuild the barrier, such as ceramides, cholesterol, hyaluronic acid, and soothing lipids. Third, introduce actives slowly and give your skin days of recovery when needed. And fourth, protect your skin from environmental stress by using sunscreen and avoiding long hot showers. A healthy barrier is the foundation of calm, strong, and glowing skin. Taking care of it makes every other step in your skincare routine more effective. If you have questions about your skin barrier or want to know which products are best for your skin type, leave a comment below. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.